What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to check the cabin air filter for one of my customers here. We're going to pull it out, see if it needs replacing. So I figured this would make a good tutorial today. So yeah, this is a 2021 Lexus Rx350. All right. So the cabin filter is actually located behind this door. Okay, so we're going to need to drop this door. So the first step obviously is to go ahead and open it up, and then we're going to come over here to the right side, and there is actually a damper. Okay, this dampens the door when you go to open it, slows it down. We need to disconnect it, and all you got to do is grab it with one of your fingers or two of your fingers and pull it towards the right. Okay, and disconnect it. It just snaps right off. It's made to do this. You're not breaking it or anything like that. It's made to be serviced like this. Now if we look right here, there is some stoppers. Okay, that's what stops the glove box from opening all the way. If you look right here, it says push. I'm just going to push this in, get it around. Okay, you need to do that on both sides. Push. Okay, push. I might have to go back and forth a little bit. And once you get it past the stoppers here, the glove box will just come down. And we're looking right here. Okay, so we're going to need to take this door off. This is just a cover. All we got to do is push up on this tab here, pull towards us a little bit. Same thing with this side, push up, pull towards us, and the door come off. And we got one more door to go. All right. And this is actually where the filter is. I'm going to squeeze these tabs on this guy right here like this, and pull towards us. All right. Now this side over here, it doesn't have the little squeezy things. It shows it. I mean, it actually does have it, but what it does, it actually goes in a slot. Okay, the little tabs at the bottom here, they're slotted. It goes in like that. So just remember that when we go to put it back in. And it's going to go back like that. I'm going to take it off just like this. All right. Now the filter is in a holder, so we're going to grab the holder and the filter. Pull it out. This one really isn't that bad. All right, so we can just take it out of the holder like this. If we're going to replace it. Kind of tricky with my hand, but you reuse the holder. Okay. Just check that guy out real quick. All right, so we're not replacing this one today. Put it right back in. Keep the door. Keep it out here. And slap that back on here. Keep this guy here. Right on there. So if you need to get a filter, check the description box. I'm going to have a link that takes you to Amazon. If you want to get a filter real quick from them, or if you want the part number, it'll be there. So take a look at that. Now here all we have to do is close the glove box. Okay, and it'll go right back where it needs to go. And get this and just snap it back on there. And you're all done. Well, hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. I'll see you again in another video.